Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Samson Tech Station. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to stop ads on Android phone. Maybe ads are popping up on your phones and you don't like it because it's quite annoying, I know. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix this problem. First, all you need to do is to go to your settings and private settings on your app Android phone. On your settings here, you're going to scrolling down till you get to Google. You click on Google. On your Google here, you are clicking on your profile here on the Gmail, and here you are clicking on manage your Google account. Here you are going to be clicking on data and privacy. Here you are going to be scrolling down till you get to my ads center. Make sure it is turned off. Here you are going to be clicking on that and turn it off. Okay, you're going to be turning that off. Get it? Next thing you need to do is to go to Chrome. On your Chrome, you are clicking on here you are clicking on site. So it's going to scroll down. Going to be seeing instructive ads. Here you are going to be turning this off. If it is on your device, you're going to be turning it off, and that is it on how to stop ads popping up on your device. If you find this video helpful, if you guys come to the very end of this video, please do it to subscribe, hit the notification bell, notified to know when we create more helpful videos like this on the channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.